Hey, in this video, we'll talk about Jasmy. We got Jasmy down to the T. We were right here on the 18th of October when I published the video, and I said take profit right here. Why? Because we had 1.1 bill buyers, 1.2 bill sellers, which is a 20% difference. So I knew this was going to be a level that price would react to. So the question is, what is going to happen now? Because now we have even more selling pressure, and I'll tell you right now, I'm going to short. Yes, I know I'm a little bit late to the short, but like all of the other trades, I'm willing to take a short right here. And unlike the others where I'll try to target liquidity, here I'll target the 9649 area because we have a large buyer's block between 96 and 9255. So this is basically how I'll be trading Jasmy. This is a no BS price prediction. I didn't want to waste a second of your time. If you appreciate that, hit the video with a like. 280 grand profit on meme coins. If you want to learn more about the strategy and follow my trades, there's links in the description down below to my signals chat right here and to my course if you want to learn the strategy itself.